Hello again, second grade. Make sure you're saying the sounds and blending the words with me. Sh, R, p, sharp. B, oi, ol, boil. V, ult, vault. Sh, or, t, short. J, oi, nt, joint. V, a, n, vein. Sl, a, sleigh. Sk, ew, skew. A, t, eight. B, r, k, bark. R, a, n, rain. Dr, a, n, drawn. D, e, k, deek. Nice job.